Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable to you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, we will connect our breath with different parts of our body. When we breathe, we take air in through our nose and our mouth and down into our lungs. Today, we will imagine air rushing in through our body, through different parts, other than our mouth and our nose. Let's first begin with what we know. Take a breath in and create an image in your mind of the air coming in your body through your mouth. Picture the air. Breathe it in. Do this a couple of times. Now our nose. Breathe in through your nose deeply and slowly. For several breaths, picture the air, maybe even as a cloud, and breathe it in. This next part will require your imagination, and it might be a little bit of a challenge. This time, when you inhale, imagine the air coming into your body directly through the front of your chest. Imagine as if when you breathe in, the air could skip your nose and mouth and rush in directly through the skin of your chest. Breathe in several times and picture the air rushing in through the front of your chest. Now when you breathe, imagine the air coming in through the sides of your chest. Breathe in and picture the air rushing in through your sides. Now imagine the air filling your body through your back. Picture your back, and on every inhale, imagine the air rushing into your lungs from behind you. Bring your awareness now to your arms. Picture the air absorbing through the skin of your arms with every breath in. Breathe in through your arms. Lastly, imagine breathing in through the top of your head. Each time you inhale, imagine the air rushing in through the top of your head and down into your lungs. Picture the air. Breathe it in. Then relax. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.